Hey guys, it's me Risa. So I'm going into the Low Carb Grocery Store and I'm going to show you all the different things that I love and that I buy and just all the different things that they sell here. So join me, and if you have any questions or comments, please comment below. Take care and enjoy this video. Hey guys, it's Risa. I'm at the Low Carb Grocery Store and I just want to show you, I haven't been here for a while, to update you on the different products. So we're starting at the front of the store with the chips, different kinds of chips. I love the Flex chips. I have not tried, but a lot of people love the Quest protein chips, and they have the pork rinds, different kinds of drinks that you can buy, sugar-free of course. Then we move on to the chocolates. Of course, one of my favorites brands are the Russell Stouffer. And they have candies, and you move down and they have different other marshmallow and lollipops that you can get. My favorite actually are the red vines. I love the licorice. They don't have the black in right now, but they usually do. And of course, the different types of jelly bellies and gummies, Smart Sweets, which I love, Werther's. Okay, so there's a huge selection for those of you with a sweet tooth like me that have all kinds of different options. Okay, and those of you on WW, you can calculate the Smart Points from the nutritional information. Now, one of my favorite new products is the Sweet Nothings. These are amazing, and you can see they're only 30 calories, and some of them are 35 calories. So basically, one Smart Point on WW. I love the meringue cookies. There's some oils here that you can get, and of course, more chocolates. The Choc Zero is excellent. I love their products, and I buy these all the time. The milk chocolate, they're only one Smart Point on WW. And they also have the dark chocolate. And there's some pizza crusts and wraps over here. Different things, some drinks that you can buy in cases. And here's the sugar-free syrups that you can buy. Different sugar-free syrups. And all the different sugar-free products, if you like to use for baking, are over here. Stevia, Swerve. I use Swerve a lot in my YouTube videos. All right, I enjoy it, but I also really love the Lecanto Sweeteners. Okay, and you can get the golden brown one or the regular white and powder. And there are different drinks over here that you can put for those of you that want to drink more water and find it difficult. You can add some sugar-free products to it that you can enjoy. Now over here, they have different mixes, pizza crust mix, muffin mixes, okay, brownie mixes, blondie mixes, waffle mixes, lots and lots of different mixes that you can get. I'm just trying to go slowly. People that are keto, and it doesn't matter what program you're on, as long as you're on your health journey that helps you, right? You know I'm right. There's not a lot on this shelf, but let's keep moving on. So there's also different baking flour and mixes over here. Okay. And the chocolate chips, of course, because this is like the baking section. The Lilies are really good. I use that a lot. And they have cocoa powder and more pancake mixes and different kinds of flours, almond and coconut flours. All right. And we're going to be moving on to the pastas. So I haven't used these ones yet. Up here, the La Viva. Organic black bean, and I have tried the carbonadas, And I don't see my Fiber Gourmets, but they usually have that in, but maybe they're out of it. They have the chickpea, and maybe we'll have to try the Dream Fields. That looks really good, and it actually looks like real pasta, which is what I like. What my favorites are the Konjac Noodles. I love Konjac. I haven't tried some of these, but you can see they are amazing. One of my favorites, I took all of them, are the Thai style ones, but there's different ones that you can get, and they're gluten-free, soy-free, high in fiber, vegan, and 0 fat. So, and there's no soy products. They're selling tomato sauces. My favorite, of course, is Rayo's, or I like to make my own, of course. More pastas and pasta sauces. There's the new pasta if you like the new pasta. And then, of course, the syrups. So my all-time favorite is the Joseph syrups. And I also buy the sugar-free honey. But, you know, I like to try different things too. All right, moving on. Oh, they have the pure gum, if you like gum. And then over here is their cereal section. Lots of different cereals that you can choose. I make my own granola, but if you don't have time, although mine is very easy, you always have options. And some oatmeal. There's oatmeal here. Now, on this shelf, they have different types of crackers and snacks, which I love. I love little snacks that are already pre-packaged. And they have different types of nuts and crisps, cheese crisps, that moon cheese that you see, and different kind of puffs. Just want to show you. Hope I'm not going too fast. And I do love wisps. So they also have different flavored wisps and Parmesan wisps and crisps and crackers and puffs. Oh, and now I never saw those baked bagel chips. Yum. The everything ones, sweet cinnamon ones. Oh, and then they have these skinny crisps. Let's see what's over here. They have some bars, some different energy bars. And I also love the kale chips. My favorite definitely is the sour cream. It's a hemp cream and chive, but it tastes like sour cream and onion. And they're cookies. They have different cookies, of course. Different types of keto cookie bites. I've never tried these almond cookies. And then over here are the Jellos and puddings. And of course, for my cheesecake recipe or different recipes, I love adding the sugar-free pudding mix to yogurt. And they have different mousses, and for your coffee mate, and coffee sweeteners, different flavors, and some more Jello over here. Let's keep walking along, see what else we find on the other side, which is their protein. I love the Quest protein because you can use it for smoothies, or you could use it for waffles or muffins. But you got to try what you enjoy. So you have to experiment. I haven't tried this one yet, but there's quite a few of them. And that's a whey protein. And then, of course, all the different bars that they have, right? All the different types of protein bars that you can get here as well. On this side is different salad dressings and sugar-free jams. And of course, my favorite, the PB2, which I use in everything. I love PB2. And you can get other products that you can put on crackers or in your recipes. As you move on, there's some dips and ketchup and sauces. Oh, that's what I came in here for. The teriyaki sauce. I almost forgot. Thank God I came to this side, because I love using that for a lot of my recipes, especially my fish and in my stir fries. So hopefully I don't forget it before I leave. And over here are different types of flavor drops that you can put in, or different flavorings, concentrated flavorings for your recipes as well, and different rubs. And then in the freezer section, actually, yeah, over here they have their breads, their pitas. They're out of, unfortunately, their delicious donuts, so you'll have to check them out when they have them. And breads and pitas and bagels and wraps, and I think that's going to be a wrap. So lots of different things at the Low Carb Grocery Store. Check it out. You can go online as well, and they do free shipping in Canada. All right, guys. So if you have any comments, please leave them. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. Don't be shy. I like to hear from all of you guys, okay? So take care, and we'll see you soon.